Good evening, friends. Myself Shankar Maheshwari here. So today we are going to learn about three functions in Excel. So first is switch function. We are going to study switch function in Excel, then sort function in Excel, then filter function in Excel. Okay, so one by one in detail we are going to start with this. So now first of all, one school data is given, the name of the student is given, gender is given, and rating is given. The school told me, the management of the school told me that if someone's rating is 1, that means they are poor. Poor status. I am writing here status. Okay. If rating is 1, then poor. If rating is 2, then average. Rating is 3, then medium. Rating is 4, then very good. Rating is 5, then excellent. So on the basis of this, 1 to 5, 1 is the least and 5 is the highest. So this kind of students rating is given to us. So now on the basis of it, we are using switch function is equal to switch expression. Expression means if rating is 1, then we consider as a poor performance. So poor. If rating is 2, if rating is 1, then poor performance. If rating is 2, then it is average performance. If rating is 3, then it is medium performance. If rating is 4, then very good performance. If rating is 5, then excellent performance. If we are closing the bracket, enter. So 3 is the medium. So that what we are doing, control shift down arrow, then control shift up arrow, and we are copying the formula control D. So status wise, medium, very good, poor, excellent performance come to us of the students. Now we are going to use the sort functions. Sort function is basically used. See, I'm using sort function over here. This was the switch function. Now I'm using sort function. So basically sort function I'm using over here. Sort, what we have to sort? See, array would be from name to the status. Then sort index, how much index is there? 4. 1, 2, 3. Name of the student, gender, rating, and status. So 4. And we want ascending. Ascending or descending means ascending means from 5 to 4, 5 to 1. 1 is the least and 5 is the highest. So we are considering ascending, and enter. Bingo. See, average performance to this. If we suppose, if I'm using the filter over here, and if I am smallest to largest, okay, you can't change because we have used the formulas over here. So once again, we will, this is what, how, if we want descending, then we'll do over here -1, descending. Okay, like this. So this was this sort function we have studied. Switch function is over. Now one more interesting function, filter function. So now in filter function is equal to filter array. See, we are choosing the array. So we are choosing the array. So we are keeping this thing, using freezing the row of 45th row. We are freezing that row by pressing F4. So this is freeze. Now includes, we are using once again, sort function, filter function, again we are using filter function. So is equal to filter array. We are choosing the array. See, if we freeze the entire this thing, so it will not move from left to right. So what we are going to do, name will change, but the Yashika till Yashika. So what we are going to do, it should not go beyond Yashika. So what I am doing, clicking on the A45 and freezing that. Then again I'm includes what? Medium. We want status, status, right? So status wise we want. So we'll choose over here this thing. Okay. And freezing, again we are freezing what? Freezing this thing. Now it's equal to, we freeze is equal to this thing. Okay, calculation error, because we have not write over here. So we have to write something like, suppose we have copy and paste over here. Accent, Naksh, Yashikan, Shankarnesh, like this. So like medium, again we can trace over here medium. This is accent, medium, very good. Once again we are using the formula over here, is equal to filter. Once again, filter array would be the name, and it should not go beyond 45. Okay, so what we are going to do, putting cursor over here and freezing this pen, then comma, what we require, status, means how much is very good, students, how much is. Similarly same procedure will be applicable over here. So we are freezing this, then is equal to very good, enter. So very good, student, is this much. Again we are using for this, use filter. Name, we'll freeze the name, so again we'll freeze the A45, comma, now we want status wise, so we are freezing A45 is equal to medium, enter. So the number of students are medium came. Similarly medium, poor, medium, very good, average. Now average, we consider the average over here. We'll copy this, filter. Now using the formula filter again, is equal to filter name, will freeze the 45th row. So go to this 44 row, freezing this, then we want status, so we'll again freeze the D45 by pressing F4. It's equal to average, and it's equal to we don't want this, no, please. It should be D45. We will freeze this and it's equal to enter. Okay, just wait a minute. We have freeze 45. Again we will use the formula, it's not coming properly, is equal to filter yeah, see, then we will freeze A45, then comma, we'll select this thing, will freeze this thing, is equal to average. Similarly for poor, equal to filter, we'll select the name, then we'll freeze A45, then comma, we require status, we'll freeze D45 is equal to poor, enter. So this is what we have completed: switch function, short function, and filter function. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such a trick, I will going to come again and will learn this many more of these tricks. Thank you so much.